Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I put together this very simple, easy, budget-friendly wreath for the spring and summertime. I love how this turned out. It's got a very beautiful and soft color palette, and so I'm very excited to share this one with you guys. Let's jump right in and get started. The first thing that I am going to be using for this project is this grapevine wreath. This is actually something that I've had for a while. I plucked out all of the greenery and the floral that was in here originally, and I just wanted to repurpose this. And what I love about these grapevine wreaths is that there are so many layers of twigs and branches that it makes it really easy to stick floral picks or stems right in between all of those branches. Next up, I am using this strand of Eucalyptus Garland. I picked this up from Joann Fabrics. It was on sale. It was very inexpensive, and there's just so much of it. Using garland just makes it very easy to wrap the wreath with, and I think it's a little bit more cost effective. Just because you're not having to buy so many branches, I really want this wreath to look nice and full. I am going to be using 2 of these peony stems. I picked these up from Michael's. They were also on sale. I am using 2 different colors, a coral version and then more of like a blush pink version. Here you can kind of see the difference between the 2 colors. These are hands down my absolute favorite floral stems that I have ever come across. I am obsessed with these. And then lastly, I am going to be using this little bundle of lamb's ear. I picked this up from Wal-Mart. As you can see, you get 2 stems for only $2. I thought that price was unbeatable. Okay, so pretty much all I'm doing here is sticking one end of the garland nice and securely into the wreath. I'm kind of trying to weave that in between all of the layers of branches just to make sure that it is nice and secure. And then I'm simply just wrapping the garland around the rest of the wreath and just overlapping the other end of the garland. Again, just making sure everything is nice and tight and secure. I am kind of just trying to find little pieces of the wreath that I can tuck leaves underneath or weave in some of those branches just so that the whole wreath is sturdy. And I picked up the wreath just to make sure that the garland and the leaves weren't going to be falling out of place once this arrangement is complete. So here are my 2 peony stems. You can see that the original length of the stem is very long. I need to trim this quite a bit just to make positioning the stems a lot more manageable. So I want to place the peony stems where the leaves are not so abundant. So I am turning over the side of the wreath where the 2 ends of the garland met up, just because that is where there are the most leaves. And then on the other side of that is where I'm going to be placing the peonies and the lamb's ear. Here are the 2 lamb's ear stems. Originally they came bundled together, but I'm going to be separating the 2. Just so that I am able to place them in 2 different areas. And then I'm also going to be fluffing out the leaves just to give the lamb's ear stems a more filled out appearance. And then again, I am placing both lamb's ear stems on the side where the peonies are, again, just to fill out the other side where there's not as many eucalyptus leaves. And I am placing them on the top and the bottom of the 2 peony stems. And that about does it for this video. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think that this is a wreath that I will be leaving up throughout the spring and even the summer. What I love about this the most though is that once summer is over, I can easily take out the 2 peony stems and replace those with some like more fall appropriate stems. So if I end up doing that, I will definitely do an updated video for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. I hope to see you all in my next video, and until then, take care. Bye!